Guys, today I'm going to be making fluffy slime, and what you need is some paint, some glue, some shaving cream, and some detergent. So first you're going to add in the glue. Oh yeah, and you also need a bowl and something to mix with. Add in your glue, and then you're going to add in your shaving cream. And then you're going to add in your shaving cream. And then you're going to add in about a drop of color. And that's my dog Apollo. Hey, Apollo. And then you're just going to add in a drop of paint. And then you're going to mix that in together. And this is what it looks like. See? And then after that, you're going to add in some detergent. And then you're just going to mix it in together. And then you're going to keep on mixing until it all comes together. See? And then you're just gonna start playing with it until it stops getting sticky. See? 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 There you go. That's all you have to do for fluffy slime. Well, bye-bye. Subscribe or like if you like the video. Or comment down below what other slime or dyes I should do. Bye.